Hello friends, welcome to Hankies Academy. We have already started lectures on general knowledge questions for non-technical exams such as SSC CGL, RRB, etc. This is the second video for GK questions. Today's topic is crops. You will definitely come across one or two questions about crops in every exams. So let's start the session. In India, there are mainly three crops seasons. Seasons, namely Rabi, Kharif, and Jaid. Rabi season. Rabi crop season is started after the rainy season. Sowing begins in September-October. And harvesting of them starts in February-March. Harvesting in February and March. Rabi season is cooler and drier than Kharif season. Examples of Rabi season crops are wheat, barley, pulses, and some types of oil seeds. There is a short trick to remember the crops grown in Rabi season, which is Ram, Ra, Ma, Ji, आलसी के घर चाहें तो भी नहीं जाते. Ra for Rai. M. Ma for Matar. G for jaw. Al for aloo. C for sarso. Ghar for गेहूं. चाहे for चने. Chana. That's all. This is the short trick for Rabi crops. राम जी आलसी के घर चाहे तो भी नहीं जाते. These are the most common Rabi season crops that tends to appear in your exams. Next is Kharif crop season. This season begins with the onset of the monsoons in June-July. Begins in June-July. And harvesting of them takes place after the retreat of monsoon in September-October. This crop grows in rainy season. Examples are paddy or rice, maize, millets, jute, cotton, etc. For this, the short trick would be: firstly, the words which have a half letter in their spelling in Hindi. Like ganna, ज्वार, मक्का, These all have half letters. So these are Kharif crops. We can remember by this short trick. And the second trick will be हमारे PM गुजरात के हैं। उन पर गुजरात के हैं। उन पर खादी और कॉटन का कपड़ा बहुत जचता है। और वो सिर्फ चार घंटे सोते हैं। And now for P, हमारे PM means P for paddy, M for maize, in Gujarat G for groundnut, Gujarat G for groundnut, U for urad, J for jawar, T for tur, you can remember khadi for kharif season, cotton as cotton, बहुत as बाजरा, जचता for jute, सिर्फ for sugarcane, and saute for soyabean. This trick will be helpful to you to remember Kharif season crops. Once again, हमारे पीएम गुजरात के हैं, उन पर खादी और कॉटन का कपड़ा बहुत जचता है और वो सिर्फ 4 घंटे सोते हैं. The next is Jaid crop season. This season is mainly for production of vegetables and fruits. This is during summer season, which remains for 3 months, that is April, May and June. So this is all about the crop seasons in India. We have concised the seasons with prime focus of types of question asked in exams. So we hope that this will help you out in your upcoming exams. This is all for this season. See you in the next one. Thank you.